There's a new man in my life, and I'm so excited to see him August 3rd. I will be making him these special gluten-free honey cakes just for the occasion. He's a little bit obsessed with honey, so I know he will love them. Just kidding, guys! I got to see a sneak peek of Disney's new Christopher Robin movie last February when I was invited to the Disney Social Media Moms Conference. Producer Kristen Burr showed us a few clips of the live-action movie, but the one clip that brought the room to tears was when Winnie the Pooh was reunited with adult Christopher Robin. Kristen Burr said there is beauty in doing nothing. That really stood out to me, and you'll understand what she means by that when you watch the new movie. When life is so busy and overwhelming, there really is beauty in doing nothing, and I can't wait to watch the whole movie.